If you want a sign of a very bullish market, just take a look at the meme coins that are out there. And you can see right now that Bonk is up 20% on the week. Guys, very few people buy the riskiest assets during bear markets. Very few people go out there and risk their money when they're uncertain about times ahead. But right now, with people buying into Bonk, it is very, very clear that we are gearing up for a nice bull market rally. And I believe the new meme coins could rally the most. So we're going to be talking a little bit about Bonk in this video, going over that article there. But as you can see, it mentions Seal. Now, Seal is Solana. The Solana pre-sale is going excellently right now, and this Solana-based token could be doing very, very well. But Dogeverse is another Solana-based token that could be doing very well as well. Let's discuss them, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, bro, and I want to go over what is expected for Bonk in the coming days, and then allow it to translate into further meme coins, because at its core, a rally in the meme coin sector means that traders and investors are confident, and that is what we're seeing right now. So it says that meme coins are back in the spotlight again, as Bonk is leading the charge. The Solana-based token has rallied 20% in the last week and is now trading around the 2,500 point per coin level. Alongside Bonk, pre-sale project Solana is also seeing growth, nearing the 2 million milestone as its much discussed pre-sale phase. Bonk prices surge, but will bullish momentum hold? Now let's talk about this, because Bitcoin is looking very, very good today. So we got to see what these guys think about that. It's been a fantastic 7-day period for Bonk holders. The token's bullishness kicked off into gear after tapping support around 2150 last Monday. After tapping this level, Bonk has rallied until Sunday morning, which point the token pulled back by around 13%. But even after the pullback, Bonk is still holding strong to a solid 20% weekly advance overall. Digging deeper, the charts paint a bullish picture for the near term. Now, Bonk has passed its 50-day exponential moving average on the 4-hour time frame, using the level of support earlier today. Some analysts also point to the massive bull flag continuation pattern that appears to be forming on the daily chart. So not only is Bonk doing very well in terms of rising over the last week, it is maintaining these newly found levels of support. It says the one concerning signal is that spot trading volumes for Bonk have dipped around 18% over the last 24 hours, suggesting that buying momentum may be slowing down. But I can see those levels will be rising if you guys simply take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is tapping almost $69,000 per coin today, indicating that we could be testing fresh all-time highs. And if that happens, people are going to begin to get emotional. They're going to begin to be fulfilled with that FOMO experience. They do not want to miss out on the bull market rally. Now, the bull market rally usually leads to the riskiest of assets doing the best. Now, they mentioned Solana at the beginning of this article here, and I want to touch on that for a second. Solana is a Solana-based asset. Now, if you're interested in buying, it is very, very easy to do so, but I just want to highlight the number that they were talking about earlier. Solana surpassing that $2 million mark is an excellent milestone. Why? Because when these guys launched, during the first couple of days, they were doing $25,000 to $50,000 per day. Now they're doing $250,000 per day in pre-sale action, and that is a huge indicator that the marketing is working, and that is a huge indicator that these guys are growing in the heart of meme coin investors out there. So definitely take a look into Solana if you guys are interested in it, but I want to focus on Dogeverse for a second as well, because Dogeverse is tradable, yes, on the Ethereum blockchain, but it is also buyable and tradable on BNB, Matic, Avalanche Base, and Solana. So looking at Solana here, this could be one of the greatest Solana tokens gearing up to hit the market. And it is extremely simple to buy. If you guys are interested in it, you're simply going to connect your wallet, Solflare or Phantom, and then come back out here. 10 Solana, you're walking away with 5,751,000 Dogeverse. Now that is a very good amount of Dogeverse, but clearly the more you buy, the more you're risking. Yes, absolutely. But the better your benefits in the case that Dogeverse moves higher. Now, people are putting their money where their mouth is. Dogeverse has seen $190,000 plus buys in single purchases. The whales are coming in, and they're coming in full force. But I also want to address a concern that a lot of community members had earlier today, and that was that the Dogeverse website was inaccessible. Well, clearly, as you can see, it is now accessible, and the team doing an amazing job at addressing that concern. Now, you notice here, 2 hours ago, at the time that I'm recording, they had a post, and it was filled with people saying, your website is down, when launch, I invested, but the, blah, 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 the website's down, over and over and over. The team came out, and within, I think it was 18 minutes, came in to address the situation, and it said, attention Dogeverse community. It appears that Cosmos once again leaped through a wormhole that became disoriented, affecting our website hosting. Search party's been sent out, and clearly it has been resolved. Guys, it didn't even take them a couple hours to respond to the community, to fix the website, to address the situation, and make it known that that's what they were doing. That is extreme transparency, that is extreme clarity, and that is extreme engagement with the community on a very top tier level. So I want to know what you guys think about that down in the comments below, because I have bought into Dogeverse. And if you guys are interested in buying into either Dogeverse or Solana, make sure you check out the affiliate links that are in the description below there. Let me know your guys' thoughts on their responsiveness to the community. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.